Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix lag in ChatGPT. First, start by clearing your browsing data. In your browser settings, look for the option that says Privacy and Security. In that section, look for Delete Browsing Data. Click on it. Make sure to include cookies, cached images, and site data. Then confirm and wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, close your browser completely and open it again. Next, log out of ChatGPT. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then selecting Log Out. After that, sign back in with your account and check if the lag has improved. If ChatGPT is still slow, open a new browser tab and search for ChatGPT server status. Click on the official OpenAI status page. If the servers are having issues, you'll just need to wait until they're back to normal. But if everything looks fine on the status page, the issue might be local to your browser. Try opening a new incognito or private window. Go to the ChatGPT website and log in from there. This mode runs without extensions or stored data, so if ChatGPT works faster here, it means something in your browser is causing the lag. These steps usually fix most performance issues. Thanks for watching.